Hello students, welcome again to this class of data analytics. Okay, so until now we have studied about univariate statistics and bivariate statistics. So now moving on, we will see what is multivariate statistics. Okay, see, these things are very correlated with each other. It's not such a big difference that is very difficult to understand, as we have seen that in univariate statistics we have one variable as there was uni. Okay, and in bivariate analysis we have exactly two variables, right, that we were be doing the comparison. You remember we have done the comparison between the two variables, we have plotted the scatter plot, then we have seen that how the correlation analysis is done. We had the multiple coefficients over there that ranges from -1 to 1, right, and -1 implies that they are inversely proportional and +1 was that they are directly proportional to each other, and if the correlation coefficient was 0, then they were not related to each other at all, they were independent, right. And then we have also seen the regression, that why regression is used. It was used to get the best fit, to get the best fit of the best curve of best fit. It will tell us that how the trend is going on in the data. So yeah, so that was univariate analysis and bivariate analysis. Now next one is multivariate analysis. Now if you refer to some books refer to bivariate analysis also as multivariate analysis. Okay, because the actual definition of multivariate analysis is basically the analysis or the statistics that involve more than one variable. Okay, so that is multivariate. So yeah, bivariate is also sort of multivariate statistics. Okay, so it's there is nothing to get too much confused, but yeah, as far as our domain is concerned, we will mostly deal with univariate as well as bivariate. We are not going to study much about the multivariate analysis. Okay, in univariate we basically study the basic statistics, right, how the mean is calculated, how the mode is calculated, these all basic concepts. What is interquartile range? Okay, what is the standard deviation, what is the normal distribution of a certain variable. Okay, so yeah, so all these things we study in univariate statistics. And then we have bivariate statistics that we have already seen, that we also study in further units of your syllabus. But multivariate we will not do much, we will just introduce to you that concept. Okay, so yeah, so multivariate analysis is the analysis of more than two variables. Okay, so what it says, multivariate statistics is a subdivision of statistics encompassing the simultaneous observation and analysis of more than one outcome variable. Okay, like we have said that we had the height. Okay, then we calculate the weight, right, then I can also record the marks of that student. Okay, right, what are the marks, then I can also calculate its native place, right, that whether he is rural or urban. So yeah, this is the example of multivariate. So what you will do further, you will record all the data, then you will try to interpolate the things. You will see that whether height and weight are related to its native place. It might be possible that if the student belongs to certain area, its environment is such that there is a better body growth. Okay, as we can see, there are certain areas where there the people are very healthy, and there are certain areas where the food is not that good, or the environment is not that good, that the persons are not that much developed, or their body is not introduced to such an environment where they can grow properly. Okay, so they are malnourished or something like that. So such sort of interpolations or such sort of results we can easily obtain by collecting the data. Okay. Yeah, so what further, multivariate statistics concerns understanding the different aims and background of each of the different forms of multivariate analysis, how they relate to each other. So what it's saying, it's basically saying that our effort, why we are doing multivariate statistics, is to basically find the relation among the different variables. We want to see how many attributes are dependent on each other. Okay, how my outcome is changed with the each variable. Okay, like we were talking about COVID infection. So let's say what I am doing, I am recording the value of for all the patients. Okay, then I am doing the analysis that how many patients were diabetic who died, how many patients were having heart disease who died, Okay, how many patients were having BP problems. Then in the finally in the end, I can say that most of the people were having diabetes, or most of the people were having high blood pressure, that were suffering from COVID-19. Okay, so these are basically the tasks that we are involved in multivariate statistics. The next thing is the practical application of multivariate statistics to a particular problem may involve several types of univariate and multivariate analysis in order to understand the relationship between variables and their relevance to the problem being studied. What is meant? See, now when we are recording the data, now we have already studied univariate. Now it doesn't mean that it doesn't help us in multivariate statistics. Okay, so we have plotted various graphs, we have plotted bar graphs, then right, and we have plotted histograms, frequency polygons, frequency distribution tables. We studied that in univariate statistics. Now it doesn't mean that it doesn't help us in multivariate. So all those things are used in multivariate statistics also. How is it possible? Let's see. Now let's say I have this data. Okay, yeah, I have this data. So this is my first attribute, this is my second attribute, this is my third attribute. Okay, this is my student A, B and C. So this is multivariate data because I have three variables here, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so this is multivariate. So what I can do, I can basically perform the analysis. It is my will, right? I can basically, first of all, I can study just the first attribute. So this is, if I consider only this part, this is univariate statistics for me, because I am considering only one variable at a time. I can calculate the mean of first attribute, I can calculate the mode or median of first attribute. Similarly, I can do the same with 2 and 3, because let's say what I am doing, like I can calculate the mean of first attribute, then I can calculate the mean of second attribute, then I calculate the mean of third attribute and compare the all the means, right? We can do something like that. So we can basically analyze our multivariate data by dividing it into univariate multiple sets of data. Okay, so it's not like that it's very hard and fast that multivariate statistics is completely different from univariate. These are just different names. The concepts are pretty much similar in univariate, bivariate and multivariate statistics, and more often multivariate statistics is done with the help of univariate statistics only. That's why we will be studying only this, only univariate statistics we will be focusing on. Okay, I hope you get my point. Okay, so until this point we have studied about univariate, bivariate, multivariate statistics, right? Yeah, so we'll continue in next class and get introduced to pretty nice concepts further. Bye bye.